Hey guys, Geeking for everyone. On this video I'm gonna tell you about find command. The find command is one of the most useful Linux commands, and especially when you are faced with the hundreds or thousands of files and folders on the modern computers. The find command has too many options you can use, but on this video I'm gonna show you most useful ones. So let's start. So first example is gonna be how to find a single file or a group of files by specific name. So it's when you know the name of the file but cannot remember where you save it, you can use find command to search your home directory or another directory to find the location of that file. So I prepared for this video and on my home working directory, they are three another directories. So and on each these directories I created a file. It's just a file with some info inside. Okay, let's check what is the inside all these files. Let's go to the first directory, one. As you can see, there is a directory inside and the file named one, so I can check and show what is inside. So it's a good morning inside, and there is a directory in this, and there is a file named one as well. You can see there is nothing inside this file. So let's see another directories. Let's check directory named 2. So okay, there is a file named 1 as well. Okay, inside this file there is a expression good evening, so compare with good morning like on previous one. So let's go to another directory. Okay, directory named 3. There is a file as well named 1. I show you. There is a good afternoon, so hello. Okay, let's go to the last one, the directory named 4. Okay, there is a file also named 1. Okay, and inside this file there is a good night expression. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, there are 3 directories, and on each directory there is a file like with the same name 1, and on the different, not a name but what is inside each files, and there is a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and on the first directory named 1, there is a directory inside as well, and inside the directory there is a file as well, but without any info inside that file. So, and let's try to use a find command. For example, if you want to find group of files, and the name of these files is 1, so all these files named 1, and you want to know what is the location of these files. So first of all, you have to type find command, then you have to space and specify the location or directory or path, where you gonna start searching from, and I'm I'm gonna specify my current working directory. So then you have to use option name option, specify that you are gonna searching by specific name. So, and the specific name is gonna be one. Okay, let's press enter then. Okay, on the output you see uh, different paths, of files, and not only file, there is also directory, one directory, and on the output, okay, yeah, you find files by the name one, but not only files but directory as well. So if you want to specify that you want to find only files, not directory, you can use a special option named type, and after this option you can use f. F means file, or D means directory. So we are gonna find files, so we're gonna use F, press enter, and as you can see now, on the output there is no directory, only files. And if you want to find a directory with the name one as well, so you can just type D instead of F and press enter. As you can see, there is a path for the directory named one. So it's pretty easy actually. So imagine if you cannot remember the exact name of the file, how you can search it. For example, if you know only one letter from the name of the file, and you can find this file or group of files only by this letter, how you can find it. Find command helps you in this way. So I'm gonna show you how you can find. Okay, you specify a name, but inside the name you just put the information, for example, there is only one letter you remember, yeah, and you're gonna press enter. As you can see on the output there are files, not only files but directory. As I mentioned, if you wanna find only files, not directory, so you have to specify this option. So press enter. As you can see, on the output there are files based on the search you specify. So find everything. Actually, as you know, ls plus option R, capital R command lists the contents of a directory recursively. So let's see on the output. If you want to run and get on the output the same information recursively, you can use a find command. Syntax is like that. So, and you just type ls as option and press enter, and you can see the output. So a find command doesn't have to perform just one task. It can perform several tasks together. Imagine if you want to find a specific string, specific line in the specific file, and you just know the name of the file, you don't know the location. So firstly you wanna find the location, you wanna find the file, and then you have to search through this file to find a line, and specific word, specific expression, based on your request. Let's see how it works. Okay, first of all, we want to find a file. We mention as a type as file, then we know the name of the file or group of files. The name is one, and then you have to mention another option. Exec means execute, and after this option you can specify another command. So I'm gonna use grep, and on the grep I wanna grab in a word morning. Okay, and you have to type curly brackets and after that plus. So it's a syntax, you have to remember that, and press enter. Here we go. On output you get information about your request. For example, if you wanna just specify another request, oh, here we go, there are many files named one, and then on this file we have some information based on the grep. For example, if you use option N on the grep, you can see the number of the line where this word string good located. So that's really useful. Actually, with hundreds of files in a default user directory and thousands more outside of that, sometimes you get more results from find than you want, So you can limit the depth of the searches with another option I'm gonna show you. For example, if you wanna find a specific file, but you want to just limit the depth of search, you can use option max depth. So it's gonna be name is gonna be one, and then type it's gonna be file. So, and after max depth you have to specify the number. So I'm gonna specify 2, how depth is gonna be. So okay, sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, as you can see, there is on the output there is some information of this file. If we just increase this value and just press type 3, press enter, as you can see there is another result, so more results. So if we just increase the max depth, we can we can deeply search, and extended our search. So another really useful option you can use with find command is an empty option. If you want to find empty files, how you can find it, there is a specific option, of course. So mention where you're gonna find it, and then the type gonna be file, and then it's um, it's option empty, so press enter. And you know, as I uh, uh, on the beginning of the video I show you there is only file which is empty, you know, and now we can just find it, you know, find the path. So you can use this command as well, it's really useful. Actually, if you wanna change permission for file or group of files which you found, which you're gonna find, you know, you can do that, you know, during the file command, you know. So for example, if you wanna find a specific file or group of files, you know, named one, and you want to execute another command, you wanna change permission to specific permission for these files and just perform it within one command. So you can do that. This is command is gonna change all files based on the criteria we just typed that, and press enter. Okay, I'm gonna record another video about permissions. So now as you can see, I changed permission for full permission, and okay, as you can see, actually it's total permission, you know, because if you want to touch and create files, you know, usually it's created with like that permission, you know, on the default, and on the default all files was with that permission, but now I change it. Okay, and it's not about one file. I'm gonna show you it's another files as well. That's cool. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was really useful for you and you can like improve your skills. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment, and just don't forget about likes.